Hello guys, welcome to my mod review. Right, today I'll tell you all about how to get cheat pack for tekkit. If you see here, I've modded a lot of things. In my ring, that took me a while to figure. I didn't even think this would work, but it does. Look, it's snowballs, fire. Oh, bit noisy. Why is that so noisy? It's cool because if you look like by there when you're shooting it, it looks like one of the smartest things in the world. Anyway, so this is how I'm gonna show you how to do this now. Okay, guys. Okay, now I'm ready. So I've there's the one modded one, and now this has got no mods in besides the proper tekkit ones. Right, so we wanna go open with Rimra. You need Rimra for this. Right then, so there it is. So first you delete this, delete that. Oh, we're done here. So go back. You need to go back. Sorry about that. Okay, there it is. Right, now you're gonna need a cheat pack. You will put a link in the description for this. This is what you're gonna need. Doesn't matter which which version it's in, but make sure it's 1.2.5. So you open it and you drag all that into there. It's okay. Right, you should see cheat pack, resources, and there's one more. Anyway, so close that. Open tekkit. And then log in. Hey there. Okay. Okay. Hit that then. Let this load. This should take long for the first time. You just there we go. Right, single player. Go back on that. Don't worry, this will all happen. It's not my computer. It's not like crap or anything. It's just it will take a while, but this is not happening. Right, and there's cheat pack on top of that. It doesn't have everything, but it has a lot of things. So like you'd say yourself in creative, but that bugs up the creative mode by there. So if you click the fish, you do your health. You click the sword, you enchanted this, gives you all your levels. So the potions, and this is like I don't know what this is. Anyway. So thanks for watching, guys. Oh, what have we done here? No. Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you next time.